Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I want to take you along with me while I make my favorite meatball recipe that can be done in the oven. Now let's start. To make the sauce, add the tomato in the pan. Then add garlic, black pepper, salt, and sugar. Cook the mixture over medium heat while stirring. When it thickens, turn off the heat. Today, I choose to use basil for the sauce, but you can use oregano, thyme, or other herbs you like. Basil has the properties of protection, and it also brings luck and love. It is a wonderful herb to add to your cooking. To make the meatballs, add the eggs in the ground beef, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, sugar, and of course, some dried basil. We will need a quarter cup of water. Frozen meat has usually lost some moisture. Adding the water helps rehydrate it. Then add rice. I used jasmine rice here, but short grains will do. Wet the spoon in your hand. Spoon out a portion of meat and roll it into a ball. Place the meatball on the foil. Make sure they're not touching each other. Bake them in the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now just wait. When the meatballs are done, let them cool completely before moving them. It is the key to prevent them from sticking to the foil. To complete the dish, add the meatballs to the sauce. Heat them up, stir in basil, then turn off the heat. It is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.